Hi everybody, Heather McTaggart here with Century 21 in Studio Realty. Today we're at 378 Fifth Ave A West in Owen Sound. Come with me as we tour this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom raised bungalow in the highly sought after Woodland Estates. As you step inside, you're welcomed into this spacious entryway with soaring ceilings. Welcome to the heart of the home. The open concept kitchen, living, and dining room is fantastic for hosting gatherings and families. Off the living room, we have the spacious and bright bedroom with fantastic storage space. The main floor also boasts a spacious master bedroom with ensuite and walk-in closet. Let's head downstairs to your large rec room with lots of natural light and 9-foot ceilings. Doesn't even feel like you're in a basement. Off the lower level rec room, you have your 3rd bedroom, bathroom, and 4th bedroom at the end of the hall. For added convenience, you have access to your garage from both the main level and the lower level. Stepping out onto your covered deck, you have a fenced yard and views of the beautiful West Rocks. For more information on this fantastic property, contact me, Heather McTaggart with Century 21 in Studio Realty.